Hello everyone. Let's read and match pictures to CVC words. That means 3-letter words. Are you ready? Let's go. L O G log, log, log. D O G dog, dog, dog. F O G fog, fog, fog. J O G jog, jog, jog. H O T hot, hot, hot. P O T pot, pot, pot. Well done everyone. Fantastic job. Great work. Well done. Hello parents. If you like this video and would like to use these resources, please visit my Etsy store where you will find many early years teaching resources created by an early years experienced teacher. That is me. These resources can be used in the classroom or at home to support children's early reading and math skills. These sheets can be downloaded instantly and use them in class, ready to be used in the classroom. I've used this in my classroom. The children absolutely loves it and I get great result. And I hope it does the same for you. I will leave the link below in description. I hope you like it and thank you for your support. Bye. F O X fox, fox, fox. B O X box, box, box. K O T cot, cot, cot. M O P mop, mop, mop. K O B cob, cob, cob. H O P hop, hop, hop. Well done everyone. Fantastic job. Great work. Well done.